Hey, welcome back. How many videos can I use the same intro for? I don't know, but I got one more in my mind. We're getting to the part that I wanted to do. All right, we're gonna take down this mailbox. So the plan is chisel out all of this, save the brick because I plan on reusing the brick in another area. I'm not sure how exciting this video is gonna be because it's just taking out an old mailbox, putting in a new mailbox. Seems pretty simple to me, but we will see. If I see any tips or tricks along the way, I will definitely let you know. But it should be pretty simple, just a hammer drill and knock this out. And yeah, I think that's it. All right, let's get to the video. I have all these chunks, these offcuts or break off pieces of brick that when they built this, they just threw them on top, probably on top of wet cement. These are like embedded in the cement, and there's probably 2 inches of cement on the bottom here that was like holding the mold and everything else for the surrounding brick. It's just very slow digging everything out because I can't scrape it with a shovel because I keep on hitting these because these are protruding from the actual flat surface of the concrete on the bottom. Little drill's doing just fine, knocking everything out. That's going pretty well. It's just getting these little pieces out that are like stuck into like pieces like this. You know, it's just like small pieces that are just more annoying than they're worth. I gotta figure out what that pipe goes to because I think it might be a fiber wire. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll figure that out when I figure that out. I gotta finish up the rest of this. See pretty much how thick the concrete is right here. It's a good, 2-3 inches. Drill's doing just fine with it. It's just these little pieces that are stuck to it that's making it go slow. So I'm gonna clean all this up and get attacking the second half. Hey, future Rob here, or maybe it's past Rob, whatever. So I got half done last night. I didn't finish the whole thing, but also I'm just too lazy to grab my microphone and everything else this morning. But yeah, so let me show you what we got. There's no PVC pipe on this side, but on this side there is right there, right? So I don't know why it stopped here. Maybe it goes down into there. I don't know. They filled all this with cutoffs from this, so I've just been pushing stuff in there too. So I'm not gonna record knocking the rest of this down. You saw me knock down the first half. The second half is gonna be the same thing, chipping it out, throwing it in a little barrel. Yeah, pretty simple. So this is my trash cans. Hopefully the mailman, or hopefully the trash man doesn't completely hate me today, because the city says you could throw that stuff in the trash can, but I've never tried it, so it's pretty fucking heavy. So, all right, see it.
One eternity later.
So yeah, I have a mixer, can't find it. My boys did something with it, so we're gonna do this by hand. All right, let's go turn the water on and, I don't know, put some stupid concrete. This shit ain't working. Change plans, plan B. Stay. This side looks good. Back looks straight, papered, good, good, good. Can't be messing with it too much longer. Concrete's gonna set up eventually, maybe, who fucking knows. Let me hose her down and get all my dirty handprints off. All right. So here we are, we're in the last step. Not much, I have to clean out the hole a little bit. We just went and picked up the rocks, so I'm gonna clean out the hole, square up with some of the edges, move everything, make sure it looks good. And then, what's the plan? We are going to put down a barrier to help weeds not sprout through it, then we're just gonna dump rock in it, then this is gonna be done. Clean this up, going all the way over to the edge here. I have to grab more rock eventually, but whatever, figure that out when I get there. So we got our, I don't know what it's called, landscape fabric. Sure, whatever. So we have our landscape fabric. Again, stuff is pretty simple to use. All you do, roll it out, cut it where you need it. If you need it, overlap it, I don't know, 25%, 50%. Yeah, that way weeds can't poke through. Cut it down. Cut. House scissors work great for this. Don't tell your spouse, they may get upset. I know mine would. Anyone asks, I use my shop scissors. I don't have shop scissors. If it's a problem, I'll come back with some really small tent stakes and stake it down so it doesn't move, especially on the overlap, but I think that'll be fine for what I'm doing. Yep, all right, hurricane's coming, so I'm trying to get this done real quick. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. Yeah, really simple. Just took a couple days because, well, it's hot in Florida and right now we have a hurricane coming, so I'm trying to finish all this before it hits. This is a little bit wobbly, but it's also part of the design. Obviously, it's not for lack of in the ground. It's not for lack of posts. I mean, it's just the design that my wife picked. It's just wobbly. Hopefully it lasts a hurricane that's coming here in 3 hours. So if it doesn't, I'll let you know. But yeah, so this job's gonna be done. Really no more edging. Like we could probably put a wooden barrier around it, but I'm really not gonna worry about anything like that. I'm just gonna let it sit for a while and see how it does. And then if my wife wants something around it, I'll probably build a wooden barrier or something to go around the back end. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna be done with this one. If you have any questions on things I used, let me know. If not, whatever, don't. I'm not your boss. You can do what you want. And then I will see you all in the next video when I do that. We're going to be doing a, what are we doing? We're taking all the bricks that we took out of here and we're building like a little patio paver area to put our trash can. So yeah, more outside work in the heat of Florida. So super fun. But anyway, all right. Thanks for watching. All right, catch you later.